Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I have a good one for you. If you are a teacher and you are utilizing the G Suite platform, specifically Google Classroom, and you are interested in customizing or making your classrooms warm and inviting to the students, this is a tutorial for you. We're going to be looking at how to customize your Google Classroom in a way that will be inviting to the students with the use of different fonts and also emojis or symbols. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Hit that notification bell and smash that like button. Let's get into it. As usual, we're going to google.com, and all you have to do here is to type in cool symbol.com. Let's type it where the URL is. Just type it in the URL bar. Cool symbol.com. It should take you to this site, and the thing I love with this site is that it is totally free and you can do both here. You can generate your font and also copy and paste your emojis. Let's do the font first. Go to the right hand side and select font generator and font changer, and the first thing you want to do is type in your topic at the top. So you're going to type your topic where it says input text. Once you have done that, you will see that below there are the different fonts that are available. All you have to do is choose one of the fonts and click on copy. I'm going to choose this font, so click on copy. You will get a notice that it has been copied. Then you're going to go to your Google Classroom. So in Google Classroom you would have already had your topic, so all you're going to do is click on the three dots beside the topic you want to change the font. Click on rename, and of course if you didn't have your topic before, you could just click on add and paste it. So I'm going to right click and paste, then click on rename, and as you can see, the title of the topic has been customized. If you do not like the fonts that you see here, you have other choices. Click on big text generator. There are three styles of big text that you can do. They're right here, so if that is the style that you want to go with, you can use big text generator. One more thing that you can do, if you didn't like any of those that I mentioned before, you could click on cool fonts online, and here you will have access to more fonts. So the list goes on and on here. So if you wanted an extension of the fonts that are available for you to choose from, all you have to do is click on cool fonts online, and it's the same process. You will see it displayed in the writing style, and here you have a different option, so you can decorate or you can copy. But what if I wanted to add an emoji or emojis to this topic as well? Let's go back to coolsymbols.com. All I did is to scroll back to the top, and from here you're going to click on emoji for copy and paste. The emojis will be right there for you to see, but if you don't want to look through, you can click search, or you can search by the topics that are here. This is smileys and people. So you can search by these topics. And of course, for the math teachers, if you are interested in inputting symbols that will allude to the topic that you are doing, you can always click on symbols and it will take you to the symbol emojis that are available. For example, if you are doing a multiplication lesson, you could click on multiplication. Whatever it is, I'm not a math person, but the symbols are here for you math teachers. And the symbols are here for all the teachers, because if we look in sports, we can see that PE teachers could utilize these emojis as well. So it's not just for one person or subject area. Symbols and emojis are here for everyone. Or you can just do a search and type in your keyword. So if you want an emoji about writing, once you type in the word, the emojis will be displayed beneath. Alright, let's choose the hand. So once you click on the emoji, it will be copied, and all you have to do is go back to your Google Classroom, click on the three dots, click on rename, go to where you would like the emoji to be pasted, right click, paste. If you have some more emojis that you would like to add to the same topic, all you have to do is to go to the different window that you had opened, coolsymbols.com. Click on close. Let's look for another emoji. So we had writing. Let's try video. And when I go back on my other window, all I have to do is to reposition the cursor, right click and paste. I want a little space between that. I'm not finished as yet. I'm going to put one more emoji there. Once you click on rename, your emojis will be beside your topic. And there you have it. This is a quick and simple way how you can customize your Google Classroom topics in such a way that your students' attention will be drawn to your topic by the use of emojis and interesting fonts. I do hope you learned something new today. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.